Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to factory reset on your iPhone 15 Pro. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your setting and then tap on general. When you tap on it, a new interface will open on your screen just like this. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, and another interface you can see on your screen. At the bottom of the screen you can see at the bottom of the screen there is the option of erase all content and settings. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, click continue and press type in a password to confirm the operation, and press and enter your password. Okay, and after this decide about the backup of your data, and then finally enter your Apple ID password and hit turn off to start the process. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.